you've ever stared at a ceiling till 3 a.m., mentally juggling unpaid bills, a broken boiler, sick family members, and bickering kids, wondering, is it just me? Well, it's not. And now you can cut this one out too. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Yes, life can feel like a relentless game of emotional dodgeball, and when stress starts stealing your sleep, focus, and even your will to get out of bed, it's time to call in reinforcements. That lifeline comes in the form of an app called Balance, a meditation app with surprisingly powerful effects. Balance isn't just a playlist of soothing ocean sounds and random affirmations. It starts with daily questions and builds a customized meditation experience tailored to your needs. Whether you're struggling to fall asleep or trying not to lose it mid-tantrum, the app has something for you. The beginner-friendly foundation sessions are focused on breath, no incense, no chanting, just calm, clear guidance and gentle reassurance. It's gentle reminders like it's normal for your mind to wander. That's what minds do. It will make you feel like you belong there. But what truly sets it apart? The immersive meditations. These iOS exclusive sessions combine sound and vibration. Yes, actual phone vibrations to help you release tension. Holding your phone on your chest while walking through a forest can be the most relaxing part of your day. You can try it out for a month on free trial, and if it fits you, get a premium access for $69.99 per year. It'll honestly be the best money you've ever spent on mental health. So download Balance on iOS or Android now and take your first real breath without stress. Have you downloaded it already? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.